I have got many comments regarding to describe the data for the Marshall specimens. Here I would like to tell you one thing. In all my previous videos regarding this Marshall specimen, I had explained it, but some of the technicians or some of the students or engineers were giving the comments that if this data is being explained separately. Today I will try to explain in separate way. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you, when we have prepared the Marshall specimen, with these specimens, we are going to determine GMB, mean specific gravity of the Marshall specimen. We are going to determine air voids which are in this Marshall specimen. We are going to determine voids in mineral aggregate. Then we are going to determine voids filled with binder. Five, stability value. Of each specimen. Last one, flow value. Respect. Here I would like to tell you one thing. These are the 6 properties. Like air voids will be represented by VA. Voids in mineral aggregate would be represented by VMA. This voids filled binder VFB. This stability would be represented by STA, like this one. And then flow value, simple flow, and its unit is millimeter. Here I would like to tell you one thing. When the mixed design was developed, we were determining these properties at different binder content. Now let me tell you what's the meaning of the different binder content. Different binder contents means at the time of the development of the mixed design, we were increasing the percentage of this bitumen 2.5%, and we have prepared some Marshall specimens. Then at the 3%, we had prepared this Marshall specimen. Then 3.5%, with this we have prepared this Marshall specimen. Similarly 4%, 4.5%. We are going to increase it up to 5%. Clear it? It means, here I would like to tell you one thing. These are the binder contents being used for the development of this Marshall specimen. Clear it? Let me explain it. These are the binder contents being used for the development of this Marshall specimen. And with these Marshall specimens, let us suppose it is of this form. The other surface is like this one. This is our Marshall specimen. And its thickness is 63.5 plus or negative 1.27 millimeter. Because this is as per Osho MS2. Now with this amount of this thickness for this Marshall specimen, for each binder content we have determined these values. It means for this 2.5 I have determined this GMB, for this 3 D point GMB, for this 3.5 GMB, 4.5 GMB and 5 GMB, etc. So here I would like to tell you one thing. With each of these quantities, how many quantities are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are the 6 quantities. Because in order to draw the graph, at least 4 or 5 values are required, but we have to go in more perfection. I have taken these 6 values. So these 6 values are over here. And for each of these values, I have determined these properties. And that data collected is known as Marshall specimen data. Let me repeat my word. That data collected is known as the Marshall specimen data. Now in my coming video, I will try to explain the data analysis of this specimen. Now the question is, what is the data analysis? Here I would like to tell you one thing. What will I do? How will I reach to the conclusion of our mixed design? It means I will have to plot a graph from data. The first graph which I will plot will be between air voids versus PV. Second, VMA versus PV. Third one, VFB versus PV. Fourth one, GMB versus PV. Fifth one, stability versus PV. And the last, flow versus PV. So this will be my arrangement. Why I have taken it at the top? Because I have to select first this quantity over which I will have to apply the condition set by the Asphalt Institute for the selection of the binder content. And other properties, then we'll try to verify that is it going to satisfy the technical specification required for certain project. So this was a preliminary introduction which I have to give you. And in my coming video, I will go on explaining this graph. Thank you up to this for seeing this.